Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, that was a great one. Oh, Erica the Suck Up. Hey, sorry for that burping video, by the way. That was you, wasn't it? I retweeted something with like the caption, delete this hurts my brand, or something like that. That was hilarious. More burping videos, please. Atta boy.
Bad start. Off to a bad start.
But what if getting ignored literally makes my heart sink to the ground? The sad truth behind them.
Ghosts aren't real, but my lust for blood is.
Just your entire adult.
Oh god. Number 4. Cool graphics. The Losers Lounge.
I am the final boss of Twitter.
Yesterday, I asked you for your best. Excuse me. Shut up, Melvin. A group of babies that's called a feast. Bamboozled. And honestly, it's downright disgusting. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Twitch Clips Online Archive. He has his reasons. You never know what's gonna happen. This October.